Hi guys, and welcome back to the Taste and Bloom kitchen. Today we are making some whipped shea butter or shea butter for babies, toddlers and the entire family. Just two ingredients and you're good to go, so stay with me. This shea body butter is very easy to put together. So I have on my stove top some water which has been boiling for some time. I'm going to put my shea butter in a bowl and put it over the hot water. So this is the double boiler method. It's going to help me melt my shea butter. Usually when you get the unrefined shea butter, it is solid and thick and a little grainy. So melting it helps to get rid of the graininess, like the grittiness in the shea butter. Also, melting will ensure that you get the very right or smooth consistency when you are done whipping the body butter. So obviously you can use the unrefined shea butter as your cream from head to toe, okay? But usually when I get this, it's too hard, obviously. Then what I do is to melt it and then add other ingredient, which I'm going to see very soon, and then whip it up and put it back into containers for the boys and the girls to use. So melting the shea butter will take at least 10 minutes. Please do not use the microwave. What it will do is to splatter it all over in the microwave, and that's a messy job for you to clean up. If you're new here, hello, my name is Yasmi. Please consider joining this amazing blooming family by subscribing and turning on the notification bell so that every time I post a new video, you'll be among the first people to be notified. Also, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch me. Please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below when you're done watching, and share as well when you're done watching. So my shea butter is all melted now. I'll go ahead and take it off the fire and allow it to cool down a bit and then send it into the fridge. To quicken the process, you can take this into your freezer rather for about an hour for it to solidify. And then when it's out, we are going to start the whipping process. So using my hand mixer, I'm going to whip the shea butter or melted and solidified shea butter till it is very soft. But when you're whipping, it can get a bit messy. I realized that the bowl I used was a bit small, so I got a few splatters around my work area, but next time I'll be very cautious of that. So just to give you a heads up, use a bigger and deeper bowl when you're making yours. So now let's talk a bit about the other ingredients I'm going to add. It is vitamin E. So I usually get it from my cosmetic shop. It's nothing very difficult to find, okay? They look like pills basically. And then I'll drop it in there and then whisk it in the shea butter. While you can cut one end of the pills, so to speak, and then drop it into the whipped shea butter, I don't do that. I put the pills in straight away. When I hand whisk it, or I use my blender to whip the shea butter, it will get some of them breaking down and then still have some of them in whole. I do not mind at all because with time, what happens is that once we continue using the body butter, the rest of it will just melt in there and that's it. So why I keep the body butter simple is that, to be honest, with kids' skin, you don't want to overload it with a lot of oils and essential oils and all that stuff, okay? So I just add vitamin E because, first of all, I have two boys who are very feisty. And obviously, they have some scars from playing a lot and getting hurt. And I would want those scars to fade off very easily. So the vitamin E helps me to achieve that. And also, it's a very powerful antioxidant. Also moisturizes very dry skin and increases resistance to sun overexposure. So you see, you don't have to worry too much when the kids are playing in the sun. So yeah, whip till it's very soft and fluffy, and then go ahead and put them in whatever containers you have and use away. It's very nice. If you want, you can add some perfume oils, which are safe for the kids as well, and then continue using it. To be honest, shea butter is what I've used for my kids since they were born, and I've not changed it. So try it and maintain glowing skin for the whole family. Thank you for watching today's video, and until I see you again in another video, please don't forget to keep blooming.